Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the equation of the plane. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that the plane is perpendicular to the line in here. For example, we have the line and we know that the vector of the line they will go in this way. But the plane is perpendicular to the line. Something like this. So we know that the normal vector of the plane they will be like this. That means the vector of the line that is about the normal vector of the plane. So in this situation, we have the normal vector of the plane that is about number 3, number 6, negative number 3. So I will put number 3 gone here, number 6 gone here, negative number 3 gone here. The plane through the point, so we put S gone here, number 6 gone here, number 8 gone here to find the value of D. So D in here, that is about negative number 9. So we put ABC gone here. Now we divide both sides by number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.